Yeah, she is.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Afternoon.
So we're just leaving PEI.
We've left PEI.
Yeah,
We're in Nova Scotia.
we are. We found some crisps, and they are, if you can read that, fries and gravy crisps, and some all-dressed crisps. We haven't tasted them, so we're going to do a taste test. Come on, Kathy. Open the all-dressed.
Ruffles, all dressed.
We would. They said that they were great, so you know.
Who said?
They.
Who's they?
That's the question. Who is they? Everybody says they say. Smell?
It smells a bit like salt and vinegar.
They do smell like salt and vinegar. There's a bit of cheese and onion in there.
How many you got left?
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
They pass.
they pass. All dressed. Good. Come on then. It's the gravy one now. Oh, ah! Oh, you done to my... Ow! My hair. Bugger.
Right, so this is Lay's fries and gravy. Now this is snot.
Okay, fries and gravy, here we go.
Doesn't really smell of anything.
It does, it smells weird.
Slightly beefy, I'd say.
Well, it's going to be beef gravy, isn't it? In it. Oh my god! Tastes like gravy. Tastes like gravy.
Sort of, yeah. A bit like beef.
They're
Anyway.
okay pass. Okay. Better. So when in Canada, all dressed.
All dressed. Stay dressed.
Stay dressed.